Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Security and Location. After that, tap on Screen Lock and select the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to create it, and if you want to redo it, click on Clear at the bottom left corner. Then create it again. If you want to continue, choose Next at the bottom right corner. Enter your login method again in order to confirm it, and click Confirm. Over here, you need to answer this question by tapping on one of those options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to be shown? I don't want to see any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and tap on Done. Now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!